Hello children, today I am going to start the new chapter of science. The chapter name is Many Kinds of Houses. In this chapter we are going to learn about different types of houses. We all need a house to live in. Houses are built from different things. Children, you know that we all need a house to live in, whether it is an animal or a human being. All need a safe place to live. And the houses are made up of different materials. There are two kinds of house. First one is permanent house. Second one is temporary house. Permanent houses. People who live in one place for a long time make a permanent house. This is a strong house. It is made of bricks, cement and steel. Flats and bungalows are permanent houses. What is permanent house or who make a permanent house? People who live in one place for a long time, such people make a permanent house. And permanent house is a strong house. From what materials permanent houses are made up of? Permanent houses are made up of bricks, cement and steel. The examples of permanent house is flats and bungalows. Children, you can see here the pictures of bungalow, flats. These are the permanent house. Second one is temporary houses. Some people have to move from place to place. They make temporary houses. They are easy to build again and again. Some temporary houses can be moved easily from place to place. Now, what is temporary house or who make a temporary house? The people who have to move from place to place. Means the people whose place is not fixed. Such type of people make a temporary house. And temporary houses are easy to build. Some temporary houses can be easily moved from place to place, like tent. It can be easily moved from place to place. So tent, hut, these are the example of temporary house. Soldiers and campers live in tents. When they move, they fold their tents and take them along. Now, who live in tents? Soldiers and the campers live in tents, and when they want to move, they can easily move from there. They fold their tents and they can take them along. Huts are made from mud and straw. Sometimes bricks or leaves are also used. Huts are easy and cheap to make. So from what materials huts are made? Huts are made from mud and straw. And sometimes bricks and leaves are also used for making the hut. Hut is easy to make and it is not very costly. Some people in Kashmir live in houseboats. It is made of wood. The people of Kashmir live in houseboats and the houseboats are made up of wood. Children, you can see here the picture of a houseboat. A caravan is a house on wheels. Gypsies or nomads live in them. They also travel in them. What is caravan, children? A house which is made up of wheels is called as caravan. And the nomads people. Now, who are called nomads people? The people who move from place to place are called nomads people. The nomads people live in them. An igloo is made of ice. Eskimos live in it. An igloo is made up of ice, and the people who live in an igloo are called Eskimos. Children, you can see here this is a picture of an igloo and it is made up of ice. Roofs of houses. Houses have different types of roofs. The type of roof depends upon the climate. Houses have different types of roof, and the type of roof depend upon the climate. The roof of the houses are made according to the climate. Houses in warm places have flat roofs. People can sleep on these flat roofs at night. So children, where flat roofs are made? The places where it is warm. In warm places, flat roofs are made, and people can sleep at night on the flat roofs. Here you can see in the picture, so it is a warm place and the house is made up of flat roof. People build sloping roofs in places where it snows or rains a lot. This helps the snow or rain to fall off easily. Sloping roofs can be made of slate tiles or palm leaves. Now, where sloping roofs are made? The places where it snows or rains heavily, in such places sloping roofs are made. So why sloping roofs are made in such places? Because sloping roofs helps to fall off the rain or snow easily. That's why in such places sloping roofs are made. Sloping roofs are made of slate tiles or palm leaves. You can see here in the picture that it is raining heavily or it is a snow place, and the roofs are made up of sloping roofs. And what we have learned in this chapter, we learned that the people who live in one place for a long time make a permanent house like flats or bungalows, and the people who have to move from place to place make a temporary house like hut. The houses are made up of different materials like bricks, cement, leaves, straw, etc. And depending upon the climate, roofs of houses are made. In warm places, houses have flat roofs, and the place where it snows or rains heavily, their houses have sloping roofs. So children, I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you children.